Now, after this brilliant tango and music and explanation of the connection between it and our minds. Do you really want a scientific lecture now? I cannot dance. Maybe I can I can sing a bit. In order to enjoy my talk, can we put off all the lights over there? Please? We cannot darken the room completely because the windows are so large. But at least we don't have to wait. Can we? Is it possible?
लाइट विंडो तो नहीं कर सकते.
So I want to talk today about what was the motivation of my work, of our work, and what are the results, which are what I call fruit. So the motivation was curiosity, and the fruit, I'll come to it, was much above my own expectations. So I hope that all or most of you know that proteins perform almost all cellular functions.